Hi, it's Chris. I hope you're well today. If you are a bicycle mechanics enthusiast and you want to change your chain from home, this might be what you are looking for. Unior's Hobby Screw Type Chain Tool. Let's take a look at it. Unior's Hobby Screw Type Chain Tool is made from hardened and tempered special tool steel and is blackened for further durability. The handles are plastic dipped for comfort. Unior's Hobby Screw Type Chain Tool is compatible with chains from 5 speeds to 11 speeds. The chain tool holds 2 chain links and perfectly centers the chain pin with the tool's pushing pin. To release the chain, the spindle should be rotated anti-clockwise. All good, well built, high quality, hobby screw type chain tool. Not much more to say about it. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.